Hello and welcome to Papers and Paints, guys. I am back with yet another of my video, a fluid art painting or acrylic pour painting as you all may know. And we are not going to be using any kind of pouring medium, silicone or WD-40 whatsoever. So let's begin. I have already prepped my canvas and poured a lot of white paint over it. So let's begin with creating the puddles. As you can see, I am using the red color first, but it is completely optional, guys. You may select any color of your choice. As you can see, I am directly pouring the paint right from the bottle. I am not using any kind of medium. Please remember, you have to pour the paint one over the other and create puddles. You can layer up the paint one over the other, but remember to not get distracted, as we do not want excessive amount of paint on our canvas, but just the right amount to cover it up and get a beautiful pattern out of it. And now I'm gonna layer it up with some black color just to give it a little bit of depth and make it look more interesting. We are finally done with pouring the colors, and let's just do this. One over here, one here, and another one over here. And it's now time to let it roll and create magic. Just keep it moving around till it covers all the four sides of your canvas, and also till you're satisfied with the outcome. And we are just gonna cover this side, and that's it. Just a little bit over there, and this is it, guys. I'm not moving it around more. This is the final look I want, and I am quite happy with it. What do you think? I feel it turned out quite beautiful, and I can already see some cells forming up. I haven't used any pouring medium or WD-40 whatsoever. I will definitely give you a close-up. Let's see it. Can you see the small cells in between? And a little on the top. Those are really beautiful. And that's it for the day. If you had fun watching this video and liked the painting, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like, comment and share this video. At the end of this video, I have also provided the details of my social media account handles. Please feel free to go and check it out. Thanks for watching.